Igbo ndị mana ege ntị ekenekwa m unu. Now, so does it mean that now Ogechi Okeke Njaka the right? Mba. Achọrọ m ka ige ntị n'ihe Skibo okwu. Because na ọ na-adị mma ọ nọkatakwana ka gbim so that ka amata onye bụ onye. So that you pay attention at this video. We can only watch every detail because any blink like this you will miss it. And then in this video, call one.
Your page is not paying you. Nkuchi. Imagine another Skibo Comedy. What issue before this extraordinary market away butter. Maybe account account to making about 10,000 followers. All go watch pin, give one code, give one me pay, or borrow the boy and give one manager, he may pay the account. Account I don't go account go or Raban and guess another comedy. Account I hear build with the boy. I hear the content na ba na agagharị ọnwa gwụ Mark Zuckerberg akwụ ụgwọ ọbara akaụntụ extraordinary comedy ọbara nke gị.
Hello, Skibo. Good morning, my brother. Okay, this is your son's page, Extraordinary Marketer. So you see, all of his earnings are not remitted. All of them is still writing processing. Then if you check the overview of the payout, you see what they wrote. They said on the way. Then here they said not paid out yet. Do you understand? So this on the way that they wrote here, that's the same way they wrote it last month. It's showing like this on the way. Then this side is showing not paid out yet. So, but they have finished paying for this month. They have finished processing payment for this month. So obviously, this one did not come this month. It's still. So look at it.
Ekelela m ndị Igbo gewe m ntị. Ụtụtụ ọma ni. Alọhụole m from Lagos. Somebody sended him video JPAC. Keweziokwu JPAC, I am not surprised because you know that you are my enemy. And I know that I am your enemy.
Omo ogaranya correct rege. Ogaranya chọ me gba afa correct ya ogaranya. Ogaranya nyege endorsement. Nyege endorsement kwọ millions of naira. Oh mu kpọrọ gị na phone. Kpọrọ gị je make introduce na aka onye ogaranya. Here the first time is Dubai bata. The first time give abu Skibo si Dubai bata. Give na gị fire face to face. Show you love. Kpọrọ gị je na aka ogaranya nyege millions of naira. Now, plot of land. Madam, when issue, a lot of people are dragging on social media. JPAC are upon to JPAC are upon. Madam, when I got 24 hours, you did not come at least for the fact that this guy render help, not in a connection. He put her that defend the owner or a friend.
Managane issue of Wozaga. We don't do the same thing. On him the charage. And then him get spare to catch haram. And I'm calling on that billionaire. JPAC. That is Seaman Global. But JPAC do because this man you actually bolite now. Mbiagawa details na ya. Maybe you will not like it and I wouldn't want to talk about it. Omunnemo JPAC say na mri ga-ego page this boy that na mri ga-ego page ya. Omunnemo legodeno ihe awu page this boy. legodi na ego niile na ọgbatala di ya. Unu amanya Facebook very well. Legodi no me nwere ebe unu hụrụ edere paid. Ego niile from day one. Msigi sent. Make ibem nishi that boy in the aspect of all this app, TikTok, Facebook. Sent ababe na account go for naira. In the aspect of Facebook apps, 1 naira, this boy have no as in emekibe as a Facebook ukurogwa. So JPAC, I didn't surprised in him because look at here agadi nwoke even abena age torom, but sometimes m na-ele ihe ndị na-ezuzu na social media like ihe gi na-eme. That's why till me ebicha ndụ n'elu ụwa mana gị JPAC aga amekọli aka na ofu efere rie nri because why mana ga na-eme ofu ihe anya na-ebi udu ndụ ohe m ji chara gị. So kind of dirty things you do, I cannot do it. On him zeregi. I connect is a big man did they? And when endorsement deal, when I asked it, can they not this endorsement? Immediately the millions of naira actually majo. I don't want to have as an photo manage like as an photo manage JPAC. Can who the gap I don't have to have anything to do with you. It connecting with now look at here JPAC. Look at how gadi woke kuga. Nambagalo Ogechi Njaka na ne issue. Ogechi Njaka apota na social media. Kuo lekwa ihe say gwara ya. And the mention na ahamo na ihe aha say gwara ya. And you and I know that thing Ogechi kwuru is nothing but the truth. How did Ogechi know that we went to Enugu? How did she know that we were in a hotel? Mo wugi ihe sotekwere n'ọnụ. Meme video say JPAC amụọ nwoke ya wuru nwoke. That was what I told you in that video. They happen to church get too much. I know several times himself Rugi Naka, one of our colleagues, Chori Kubu na Port Harcourt, mgbe gara ihe Kulele Bitters. Also Juro, also Kubu do to oti beri bega. Jichiri that day with other content creators no there that day. JPAC is there. That is Seaman Global because for JPAC do your do. See JPAC ya wepu even JPAC hunger as on one achibum JPAC just gafe. I will give you hege serve him that day. Gafe, I don't want to have anything to do with you. Because when I got a bio otundo, elecharamge, master, no, I can't continue with this kind of person. JPAC, you can do anything for money. And I don't live that kind of life for him to zeregi. So zerem expect ki zeram. If not, JPAC 3 times ka mboroge. 3 times ka mboroge. Obi de ni ji mopole abia ibi ma advert na abage chere ndị police bia. Ewu nwoke move freely now. Move freely game a video ge. Ask him to move freely. This guy you know now here. Before Mamata Accusations. Before Mamata Accusations, money abia di close. Mba Mamata bemnya Accusations neshi through JPAC reach him then. Uno mana JPAC Accusations send their mego. JPAC do collect percent from me. Yeah, we go nyere mo. But Ingo one collect share from that money. Some no ya menema matonya, no ya connect remonya. JPAC he and menye kwe. Onakwa menye ya sia ngba kwa were kwa gutode. but at some point mana onye akpagide masị no ebe ndị ọ chọrọ idum na-aba I refused. Iwe abịa JPAC zere m JPAC zere m